LRBT2, method argument, question 10. 10? This is 10. Yeah. So we have a group of unusual meteorites. That just sounds like a fact. Okay. So a group of unusual meteorites was found in some place in India. Shargati, that's cool. That's a fact. Their structure indicates that they originated on one of the geologically active planets, Mercury, Venus, or Mars. I wonder why not Earth. I guess it's an unusual meteorite, so it's not from Earth. Makes enough sense. Don't do what I did. Don't do the rabbit hole. So we've got two facts here. Meteorites are found, and they have a structure indicating where they're from. Because of Mercury's proximity to the sun, any material dislodged from that planet's surface would have been captured by the sun rather than falling to Earth as meteorites. They're giving us a framework to work with and some explanations. Nor could Venus be the source of the meteorites because its gravity would have prevented dislodged material from escaping into space. So basically they say, yeah, no, it's probably not coming from Mercury and it's probably not coming from Venus, because if it were from Mercury, any of that meteorite material would just get absorbed into the sun's orbit. And then if it's from Venus, its gravity would have prevented dislodged material from escaping into space. So they're basically saying if it was from Venus, that meteorite would never be into space. It would just be in Venus's direct proximity, I guess. The meteorites therefore probably fell to Earth after being dislodged from Mars, perhaps as the result of a collision with a large object. So what they go ahead and do is they say, hey, there are three options. Two of these options are not valid. The meteorites did not come from Mercury or Venus, most likely, because this is what we would expect. But based off what we found, Mars is the only plausible option. So that conclusion probably fell to Earth after being dislodged from Mars. And then they kind of give an explanation of how that might work. So how does the argument derive its conclusion? It's just kind of like eliminating the other answer choices. So let's look at this. A, offering a counterexample to a theory. Well, our author is just giving a theory and there's no other theories to disprove or counter example. B, eliminating competing alternative explanations. Yes, we love it. That's exactly what we're doing here. C, contrasting present circumstances with past circumstances. I don't think we're comparing past to present, but D, questioning an assumption. We're not questioning anything. They're not pointing out that there is that the argument is dependent on an assumption in order to work well. We're not pointing out anything like that. E, abstracting a general principle from specific data. This is tricky, really, really tricky, because we do have specific data, but we're not abstracting a general principle. We're abstracting a very specific answer to a question. So E would not be correct. B is going to be the nicest answer for this one. We're going to take it.